Regarding our presentation, we were asked to explain the IP value, meaning the complementary assets value potential and exploitation process for the case number two. And when all these concepts come together, we have IP value, meaning from complementary assets, it relates to the resources that enhance the value of the company. We found that the following complementary assets: manufacturing capacity, distribution network, supply chain, fast to market. And regarding the exploitation process that involve leveraging complementary assets to maximize value, the company's value, we found the span of optic fibers, heating gas, and potential exclusivity. And regarding the value potential, that refers to the maximum value that can be generated through these resources, technologies, and opportunities. And we have to produce and sell machines, first to market and blockage. There are 6 years till the rest can catch up regarding the case. And go to the next one, Daria. Go to the yes. So regarding the analysis of the valuation context, in relation to the cost, that what is the reason for the valuation. The valuation cost is transfer orientated in relation to the purpose, meaning that which role has the evaluator, and the role is a consultancy role. In relation to the goal, that which information is considered for the evaluation. The evaluation goal is the assessment of the subjective value. And finally, regarding the addressee, meaning that who is to receive the information, and the evaluation is performed for an internal information addressee.
For us, it is important to understand analytic direction. We have determined that an internal in-out analysis needed. We have chosen this approach because we can't directly trace how the patterns we are analyzing contribute to our overall value. In terms of the impact, our strategy involves making our patents exclusive to meet technological needs and profiting from their sales. Particularly with products like drilling machines, this approach aims to boost our sales volume and margins, ultimately leading to higher prices. That approach structure being in the first markets will let us economic effect quite niche, and we will gain competitive advantage in the market. Next slide, please. Thank you. When it comes to decision making, Bauma must consider the alternatives. While acquiring a firm is an option, given Bauma assets, we are discussed and decide to focus on investing in patents. This choice aligns with our goal of maximizing their potential with our customer portfolio. The income approach model is well suited for analyzing the value of current patent assets in our case. In this case, the royalty method is preferred for calculating the real value of patents compared to other methods. This method focused on assigning the income generated by patents over a specific period, considering the factors such as market demand, competition, and longevity of the patent's relevance. By relying on this method, we can gain clear understanding of patents value, including licensing opportunities and broader impact on the market. I let the floor my colleague.
here the objectification. What we are valuing here is the transfer of the share from a selling party to a buying party. So we are interested in determining the value of a patent portfolio within the context of the buying party. So this is a subjective value. We don't look at all exploitation possibilities. There is therefore a low, we can satisfy ourselves with a low level of objectification. And we need to look at all the available data to the company who is going to implement and exploit the IP to have all the data and assumptions. So 9 information. So there will be a high requirement of information in terms of their relevancy and validity. So we need to consider all information available, weighted average cost of capital, product life cycle, where the localization of the sale, assumption of the amount which will be sold by the company.
Yes, and so this last slide is to sum up the whole valuation model. So we started with a subject matter, asking ourselves what is valuated, and we put ourselves in the shoes of BOMA buying patents. So what would be the value for BOMA of this patent portfolio? Then the decision, which decision situation is analyzed. Here we had to choose between theoretically several investment, and we compare it with internally required rate of return. Then for the value determination, how we determine the value, we would retain the income approach and use relief from royalty method to determine royalties. Then objectification, which information may be considered as it would be buying Schneider's patent for BOMA. Here the objectification need is not so high. So yes, subjective implementation with planning and prospects of BOMA. And last, on the information we gathered, here was this information reliable and relevant, and we need to consider all available information to be sure of the quality of the report. And that's it.